meters long. Should I repeat the question?
Yes.
Yes. A rectangular plot of land is 50 meters long, and the cost of...
Visualize it. Visualize it.
Okay. I hope this is a rectangle. Wait. This is a rectangle, and it's 50 meters long.
50 meters long means perimeter of the rectangle is 50 meters, or the length of the rectangle is 50 meters. Acha, you read the entire sum first.
The cost of leveling the plot at 12.50 rupees per meter square is 20,000.
Okay.
First, find the area of the plot. Second, the breadth of the plot. Third, the perimeter of the plot.
Okay. So
Then
long
what?
means the length is given.
But I have to... Yes.
Long means the length of the... Okay. So what is the length? L equal to... L equal to...
The rest of the sum you do.
500 meters. Now write B equal to, you have to find the breadth. B equal to... No, small b. All the time use symbol as a small l, small b. Okay. And now what we have to find out? What is this?
Perimeter, breadth, area. You have to find 3. And this is the given.
Okay. And what is more given?
And hint is...
No, don't
Okay.
tell me the hint. The cost of... There is something more given.
Yes, sorry. Extremely sorry.
Cost of leveling.
The plot.
Hmm. 20,000 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, wait. So, it is a rectangular area, correct? It is a rectangular plot. So, length of the plot is given 50 meters. Okay. Now, B suppose the breadth of the plot. Now, what will be the area of the plot? Area of the plot is L into B.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So now per square meter, if you want to level it, okay, what is the cost? 272.5. So entire plot leveling costed you 20,000 rupees. Okay. So per square meter area is this much. So total area you know. So total area is equal to this. Okay. So see.
Do you want a book?
No. So this is the length of this plot. It is 50 meters.
Yes.
This we want to find out. But we know entire area when we have plotted per square meter plotting cost, it is given 272. No, 272. It is 272.
No, rupees.
12.5. Correct?
Yes.
12.5 rupees. Okay. So entire area it costed about 20,000 rupees. Correct? This is 20,000 rupees I spent in covering the entire area. Okay. Means total square meter into 12.5 is equal to this. So what is the area of this plot? Area of the plot is equal to length into breadth, means 50 into the breadth, this is the area. The per square meter cost 12.5. So the entire area will cost how much? This into 12.5. Correct? For 1 square meter, I have to spend how much? 12 rupees 50 paise. So for the entire area, this is the total square meter, I have to give 12.5 into the total area. Correct? This is equal to 20,000 rupees. Now you understood?
Yes.
So suppose each tile, suppose this has to be covered by tiles. Understand? Okay. For one tile, fitting one tile, it is costing me 12.5 rupees. And I have spent how much? 20,000 rupees. So how many tiles I actually fitted? 12.5 per tile into total square meter area. Correct? This costed me 20,000 rupees. Okay. Now this is a simple equation. You have to find out the value of B. So what is B equal to? In the right hand side you have 20,000 rupees. This 50 is multiplied here, so you can go here. It will get divided. Now 12.5 is also to divide. Correct? 100, 5 4 20, 0 400. Correct? So it will remove this. You will get 10 here.
Yes.
Now 25. 25 into 5 is 125.
Yes.
25, 125. Okay. So then 15 into 25. Okay. So 400. Na? Okay. So 8. Na? 25 into 4, 5, 6. 6 into 25 is equal to 150.
Yes.
Correct? And 10 is there. So 5 and 160. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. So the breadth is equal to 32 meter. Now just to test whether our answer is correct or not, let us try to understand. Achha, you understood the fundamental of this sum? Fundamental is total area into cost of leveling per square meter equal to the total money spent. Okay. So whether our answer is correct or not, let us see. This is 50, this is 32. Correct? So what is the total area? 32 into 50. So 32 into 50, 0. This is 1600 meter square is the total area. Correct? Now 1 square meter area, for leveling 1 square meter area, I need to spend 12.5 rupees. Okay. To level 1600 square meter, how much I have to spend? 1600 into 12.5. So this decimal goes with 0. So 125 into 60, 160. Correct? So 125 into 160. So I will put a 0 here. ₹20,000. So our answer is correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the board and explain what you have understood from this. Come. Go to the next page and explain the detail. Now what was given? We had a rectangular, see here, we had a rectangular plot.
The length was given. We
breadth,
have to find
the
the breadth,
perimeter.
perimeter and area.
So breadth and if you know the breadth, if you know the length, finding the perimeter and area
Won't be a problem.
won't be a problem. So what is the perimeter? It is the twice length plus twice breadth, 2 into L into B.
2 into B.
Correct. And
Yes.
what is the area into B?
Hmm.
So how we have solved it? We don't know the breadth, but we know that if B is the breadth, if length is given, then L into B is total area. Per square, leveling the field per square meter costing me 12.5 rupees.
Yes.
So entire amount spent is 20,000 rupees. So length into breadth into the 12.5 equal to the total area spent,
Yes.
total money spent. So by this equation we know the length, only B is unknown, so we can
Yes.
find out the value of B. Once you know B,
Then it
calculate the perimeter. Now you see what is the length of the B, and then what we have found out as B, value of B,
okay.
and then calculate perimeter. And area we have already calculated. Calculate the area. Length is given, B we found out. Okay, now second part of this question, length was given.
Length.
Go to the previous screen.
Yes.
See what is length, 50 meter.
Length is 50 meter
And breadth is
32.
32 meter. Bas, that's all. You copy 50 and 32. Length is 50 meter.
And
Breadth is 32 meter. So therefore perimeter and area, you calculate it.
length.
Right, 50 meter.
Okay.
Perimeter is twice length plus 2
I
into
am-
L plus B. 2 is in the bracket L plus B. 50 plus 32. Understood, no?
Yes.
Twice length plus twice breadth is the perimeter.
2. 882.
82, 80 into 2 is 160, so 82 into 2 is 164. Correct. So what is the area? L into B, calculate A equal to
Area.
L into B. Write L small, no? Don't write
L is small only this.
You have written L in cursive. Okay, now here you are writing L in this straight way. Okay, good.
Let me do it sidely.
Yes,
Yes, because meter multiplied is good.
correct. It is. Now you understood the sum.
Yes.
Now you do not have any query regarding this. Now come to the next question. Now come here, sit here and explain. I am writing the board.
Yeah.
It seems you are tired.
Yes, I am tired. Okay.
Next question.
It costs 5,400 to fence a square field.
1 minute. It cost 5,400
400 to fence a square field.
This is the cost to fence a square field. Okay. This is a square field, means all sides are same. Okay.
At 13.50 per meter rupees. 13.50 rupees per meter.
Okay. 13.5 rupees per meter. Okay. At the rate of 13.5. This is the costing. Okay.
Find the length of the side of the field, the area of the field.
Length you have to find out. And normally area is written as capital A. Okay. So it is, if it is L, then this is L, this is L, this is L. Correct.
Yes.
So per meter it costing me 13 rupees 50 paise per meter. Okay. And how much I have spent in fencing? Entire length 5,400. Correct, no? So what is the perimeter of this? What is the total fencing length? 4 times L. This is the total length.
Yes.
No? So per meter it costed me how much? 13.5.
Yes.
This is the total amount spent.
5,400. Yes.
5,400. Understood now? I found out the entire length of the fencing, entire length of the perimeter. Okay. Now for each meter I am spending how much? 13.5 rupees. The entire length is how much? 4L. 4L into 13.5 equal to the total amount spent. So what is the value of L? L equal to 5400. This is a very easy question.
Yes.
Divided by 4 by 13.5. Correct. So 4 is 1. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. 0. Okay. So it is 1350 and this is 35. So we just multiply, remove the decimal, you will get a 0 here. 135 cancel, 100. So the length is 100 meter. Correct? Now if you want to test this sum whether we have done correctly or not, if you want to know this thing, okay, let us try to find out this. So it is 100, 100, 100, 100. So total fencing
400.
length is 400. So 400 into per meter length is 13.5. So remove this decimal with 10. So
Yes,
40
the 135 into 40.
So 10, 4 5s are 20, 2 in hand. So our answer is correct. Okay, now come and explain.
Okay. So the cost of fencing the total square field is 5,400 rupees,
Okay.
and per square meter the price is 13.5.
Okay.
We have to find the length and the area.
Okay.
So the formula we use is length. If we are finding the length, so 4L, and then we multiply it by the total 4L. We multiply it by 13.5, like
For each meter.
yes, each meter. So that results like the total cost is 5,400. Then we take the L out and then we multiply. So it's 5,400 by 13.5 into 4.
Correct.
We multiply it and then we get 400 into 13.5. There is a decimal here, so we are going to cut a 0. 14 into 135 equal to 5,400.
So you can test also.
This is testing.
So now you can solve the similar type of question.
Yes.
You do not have any doubt now?
No.
Okay, now come sit here and find out the next tough question for you.
Okay. Where's the pen? No pen?
I have another pen also.
Okay. Huh. So this, like, I didn't learn the table when I was small. So the area of a square field is 1 hectare.
Okay, 1 hectare. So what is the relation between hectare and meter? Meter square. Hectare, 1 hectare equal to how much meter square?
Yeah.
This you should know. This is 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square. if you don't know this thing, you can't do it. That's why.
Okay, so there is a table, no? Like we multiply it by this and then we divide it
No,
by this.
this is hectare is the unit of area. Okay. So 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square. That's all.
Okay.
So it is not like conversion. Okay, the meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. No, this is not a length conversion.
Acha.
This is the unit of area. 1 hectare means this much meter square. So you have to know this thing. Okay. Like 1 quintal is how much kilo, 1 ton is how much kilogram. You should know it. That's all. You have to know 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meters square. Now you speak.
What is its perimeter?
Area is given as 10,000 meters square. Is it a square?
Yes, it's a square.
So now in a square field, the total area is given. Huh? So if the length of each side of this is L, then what is the area? Is L square? Correct? L square is the area?
Yes.
L into L. So it is equal to 10,000. So what is L? This is square here. Once it goes there, it becomes square root. No? So this you can write 100 into 100. 10,000 is what? 100 into 100. So inside the square bracket you have 100 square. Correct? This is what? 100 square root means what? Into 1 by 2. So it is 100. So if 2 hundreds are multiplied inside, when the square root removed, then 100 will come out. Correct? So the length of the square, the length of this square is 100 meters.
Wait. Acha, okay.
Now you should know how to find out the square root, but for simplicity, if you can multiply two numbers, then you can write inside this 100 square equal to, and above it we have a square root. So when the square root and square, these two cancel out, it gives me 100.
Okay.
Correct? So here only the important part is
1 hectare
whether
is equal
you
to
know this part or not. You see your answer.
23C, sum number 9. No. Yes. What was the answer?
100.
You forgot to multiply now.
Which?
Square. 4.
Achha, you have to find out the perimeter of this.
Yes.
Okay. I found only the length of this. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the perimeter? Perimeter equal to 4 into 1.
Yes.
That is 4 into 100 is
400.
400 meters. Okay. Now you find out the next toughest sum and tell me. Now can you visualize, come to the board and visualize this one?
Pen. I have another.
Very good, very good.
There is a central hall of a school.
Yes.
It's 22 meter long and 15.5 meter wide. What's the
Yes, visualize it.
What's the meaning of
Wide.
wide here?
Huh?
Wide. Like,
Wide means width, length and width, breadth.
Acha.
We
So
have to
it's
pan-
a yes.
Draw a rectangular field.
Okay,
Width, wide, breadth, these are same thing.
why do you give it like alog? This is the central hall of a school.
Okay.
It's 22 meter long.
Oh, this is breadth. Breadth is the smaller part of the rectangle, correct?
Okay. And weight 15.5 meter wide.
Okay, right. So length and breadth both are given. Then
A carpet is laid is to be laid on the floor, leaving a strip of 75 centimeter width from the walls uncovered. I didn't get it. Read it again. A carpet. Now suppose this.
No, what is the carpet? How the carpet is laid?
That's not given. Like
Again, you
a carpet is to be laid on the floor, leaving a strip of 75 centimeter width from the walls uncovered.
okay. So it means that from the wall of this central room, 70 at a gap of 75 centimeter, this 70 centimeter, you have to leave 75 centimeter, and then you have to lay a carpet, correct, like this.
Yes.
Okay.
So the question is
Uh,
like very tricky.
only the
I have
this is
to-
75 centimeter.
Yes.
From the distance of this carpet from each wall of this central hall is 75 centimeter. Okay.
Now I have to find this area and this area.
Very good. Very easy. See, now, so if it is 22.5 meter, now if you
22.5. Acha,
22 meter, so it is how much? In terms of centimeter, it is how much? 2200 centimeter?
yes.
Correct. Now, if 75 centimeter and 75 centimeter means from both wall, 75 centimeter you have to keep aside, okay, away from the central wall. So means 75 into 75 means 150, correct? 150. So the length of this carpet will be 2200 minus 150. So the length of the carpet is, you understood why 150? Because this carpet is 75 centimeter away from this wall as well as 75 centimeter away from this wall. Correct? So if the entire length of this central hall is 22 meter, this will be 22 meter minus 75 centimeter minus 75 centimeter.
Yes.
Correct? So first of all we have to convert the length to centimeter, then only we can subtract. Correct? So what is the length of the carpet? Length of the carpet is 2200, correct, centimeter minus 75 means 2200 minus 150, correct.
Yes.
It is 2050 centimeter. Similarly, what is the width of this carpet? If this length is 15.5 meter, okay, so breadth of this is 15.5 meter. So we have to convert it into centimeter first, then only we can subtract. So multiply it by 100. So how much it will be? 15.5 into 100. So 1550. Correct? Now 15.5 into 10 is 15.5 and 10. 15.5 into 100. Correct? So this removes the 0. Okay, and this is 1550. This is the breadth. Breadth of this central hall. But breadth of this carpet is how much? Now, this time also, this 1550 is the entire breadth. From this end to this end is 1550. Okay?
Yes.
So you have to subtract 75 centimeter from this, 75 centimeter from this. Correct? So it is the breadth of this carpet is 1550 minus 75 minus 75.
Yes.
Correct? So it is 1550 minus 150. Correct? 0, 0, 4. 1440 centimeter. Now what you have to find out? The area of the carpet.
Yes.
So area of the carpet is length of the carpet. Internal, na?
Yes.
Length into breadth of the carpet. So therefore the area of the carpet equal to length into breadth. So length is 2050
Hmm.
and breadth is 1400. Correct.
Hmm.
So this was centimeter square. So if you want to convert it into meter square, then you have to divide by 100 into 100. Correct. So it means that if you divide by 100, it becomes 14. If you divide by 100, it becomes 20.5. Correct. So this much meter square. So 22.5 into 14. Correct.
Hmm.
287 meters square. So the area is 287. You have to find out the perimeter or only the area?
I have to find. No, only the area.
Now come and explain how we have solved it.
Hmm.
Go to the next page and explain.
Wait. This will be the last term because I have to go back.
Okay. So
Please.
first you see it, go to the next page and explain entire sum, how we have solved it. What was given, how you derived, you have to draw the figure and then explain it.
Okay, wait. Area of the scope, length into breadth, 205 into 140. How did you get 20.5? Like, why did you convert it to 20.5?
Otherwise it will be a huge number, area will be in centimeter square. I have converted into meter square because length and breadth were given in meter.
Hmm.
So I need to give in in a format which is readable, which is understandable, correct? Why I have converted into centimeter? Because I have to subtract 75 centimeter, or I could subtract 0.75 meter.
Okay, that would be, yes.
So that is why I have converted into centimeter first, just to find out the exact length of the carpet, exact breadth of the carpet. Okay. Then I calculated the area of the carpet, but it was becoming a huge number, because it is in centimeter. So there are two
So
sets,
if I-
meter means meter square, so I have to convert each meter. So first meter is converted to centimeter by dividing by 100. Then second meter is also converted by dividing by 100. So I have to divide the entire 2050 into 1400 by 100 into 100. So 1400, 2 zeros gone to 14. 2050, if I divide by 100, it becomes 20.5. Correct. Now go to the next page and just explain. Forget about the digit, number, numericals, everything. What is the basic principle? What was given and how we have found it?
Okay. So there was a
Draw
rectangle.
the rectangle. There was the draw a big central hole.
Wait, let me test something if I can. Sorry.
So you take a rectangle also.
How should I make the rectangle?
Go to the box.
I am clicking.
No, that will not come. Yes.
Okay, so there is no rectangle. Oh, it's in white. How am I supposed to get a box here? Okay, never mind.
No, go to the box.
Here?
No.
So,
There is a box there,
Here.
below folder.
here.
Ah.
This is alag. Acha, okay, this is.
Now,
But this is not. No, this is something else. This is something else.
You can draw line, na?
But line.
Then you can convert it into rectangle. Or there also you have a rectangle.
No, I don't have a rectangle. I have a square here.
Shapes are there, na?
Yes, shapes.
So if you stretch the rectangle, it becomes.
Why am I not able to do? Come.
No, this is not my problem. This is your problem.
Oh,
You draw a circle now. Forget about this thing. You draw a rectangle. Just.
This is so mean of you, yaar. Oh my god. I got forget it. This is a rectangle because
Draw a straight line and draw a rectangle.
Arre, how am I supposed to do? Come na, you also help me out.
You don't know how to draw a straight line?
I do not know how to draw a straight line.
Okay, I will tell you.
No, I know it in paper pen. Okay, do. Take the ruler and do. Very nice.
Okay, it will come now.
It will come. Take the back. Wow. Okay, wow. Magnificent. Do it with the tip. It's not happening. No, this is. टेढ़ा है फिर भी टेढ़ा है देखो
So you have to draw now.
Let's just draw with hand on it. Because I'm not able.
Okay, this is not the geometry.
Wait. Delete this now first. What's this now? How am I going to see? This is a. You have got to. 2 minutes दाड़ा. Delete the whole thing.
It is coming now for you. Patience is there, so be there.
It's not. It's. Wait, let me do something.
No.
Wait.
If I can draw this thing, I can.
Lift the hand once. No.
So just to draw a central hall, I can use this entire. I cannot go below.
This should not, Papa. This is not a rectangle. This is.
Okay. Now remove it.
How am I going to remove it? Just.
Forget about it. This is central hall.
Yes.
Okay. Now inside the central hall, you have to lay a carpet. Okay.
And leaving 75 centimeters.
From each of the wall. Correct. So inside this you can draw another rectangular frame, and this. So the breadth is minimized by how much? 75 centimeters. 75 centimeters. Okay. So if the actual breadth is, suppose capital B, this small breadth will be capital B minus 2i into 75 centimeters.
Yes.
Correct. Similarly, if the entire length was L, then this length will be how much? L minus
75.
2i is the length,
Yes.
whatever it is given, correct? 75. So then, we know the length, we know the breadth of the carpet, we can find out the area of this carpet. Clear? So, Now can you quickly revise the entire 11 page just in one shot? Can you
Uh,
quickly revise? Let me switch off.